6th day in a row and the police is already notified by this. Yeah, they can't get into the building. It is 7:07. So I'm gonna go over there and find a way in the back and see if like the fire alarm got pulled and something will find a way in. Even though the police couldn't go in, I want to see if there's like going without breaking in. Man, that's loud. They're not as loud as since their spectral advances. Notify BG time. Yeah, this is the second day it's been going off. It's been going off all day yesterday. Right now I'm at the abandoned building and I'm using my phone for this, so if the quality does sound bad, I apologize. But now we realize what place this was before it closed down. Big Tall. So, and we got a fire truck for sale. Alright, so I want to see if there's a way in. I probably will get in trouble for this, but hey, something set off the alarm, so we're gonna find out. Ooh. There's a bee over here. I hate bees. Okay. Yeah. Man, this is gonna be harder than I thought. But I mean, we gotta find a way to shut off the alarm, or the alarm will have to shut off itself. Got a way in. Oh well. So there's already residents over there, but I'm not gonna keep breaking in. Let's see. Yeah, by the way, we're behind Kentucky Fried Chicken. Oh wait, I was bringing that building. What the? Okay, well. Yeah, it's annoying. So basically, I was breaking into the wrong building. I'm so dumb. Yeah, see, there's a fire truck. There's, a couple of vintages, huh? What's over here? Yeah, this is a bad idea because we trespassing. But do feel way to shut the alarm. Yeah, you can't go in. Yeah, there's a lot. There's some. I think those are some cars for sale, huh? Pretty nice vehicles. Strange man. Pretty sure you guys can see the store that's going off inside the building. Feels good on my ears now. There's a reason it strobes like that because it's a weather. It's supposed to be like it's an outdoor alarm, but it's weatherproof too. It's the second day in a row. Alright, so guys, right now the alarm has been shut off. I guess either the panel died or the fire department already took care of it, or the police did. Oh, the owners of the place. That was a nice sky, by the way. Right now it's like 8:30 right now, and I came back to see if the alarm was still activated, but it finally has shut off. But I still hear it in my head though. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, you normally don't even see fire alarms going off in an abandoned building. That's extremely rare. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'll tell you guys later.